You know, if I say every kid in 7th grade's got to walk out knowing how to make this slide presenter, the bell-shaped curse that's way back somewhere in our subconscious fires up and says, well, I mean, does every kid have to? That's one size fits all. Blah, 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 blah. That's what we do. And yet, when we go out and spend our money, right? You go to Starbucks in one city, and then you go travel with your family to another state, and you go to Starbucks in another city, you damn sure want that macchiato to taste the same in both cities. You want the same good service in both cities. You go to a Chick-fil-A, you want to hear my pleasure in every city you go to. See, we expect essentials when we go out and spend our hard-earned money, but then we struggle with it here. We struggle with it. But this is where equity starts.